Hello everyone, my name is Susanna. Welcome to Susanna's How To. Today I will tell you how to say clothes in Chinese. Now I'll tell you how to say the clothes. The first one is my coat. This is a coat. Sure. How do we say in Chinese? Is 外套, 外套. And the second one is my shirt. Is a t-shirt is 短袖, 短袖. And the third one is shorts. Is, how do we say in Chinese, is 短裤, 短裤. And the pants, 裤子, 裤子. And the socks is 袜子, 袜子. And here is my dress, 裙子, 裙子. Thank you for watching Susanna's How To. Hope you like it. Please hit a thumbs up.